Hi everyone, Kirsty here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make puffy paint. So let's have a look at what we're going to need. So to make our paint, we're going to need something to mix the ingredients together. You could use a bowl or you might want to use a cup, that's up to you. I prefer to use a bowl because we've got a lot more room for mixing. Then we need our big spoons. This is like a tablespoon. I've got that can be used for measuring as well. Our flour, our PVA glue, some paint, so I've chosen red paint today. Shaving foam, this bit's really important for our puffy paint. And then we need a bag. Now this is what we're going to put our puffy paint in. If you don't have one of these, you can use a paintbrush, or if you wanted to, you could use a piping bag if you've got one of those. Some of you might use it for baking when you're decorating your cake. And of course, if we're going to be doing painting, we need to make sure we've got some paper. Right, so to start, we are going to get our shaving foam, and it's really important that we give it a good shake. So shake it up high, shake it down low, shake it to the side, give it a really good shake. Now, you need about 2 tablespoons, so that's a bigger spoon, 2 tablespoons of shaving foam, roughly. It doesn't matter if you do a bit extra. So we're going to give it a big dollop out. You see it? I'm going to pop that into my bowl. It's 1, it's number 2. There we go. So I just pop that in my bowl there, you can see. Now we are going to get our PVA glue and we're going to squeeze that in. Doesn't matter too much how much you put in. Maybe roughly 2 tablespoons again is absolutely fine. We're going to use 1 tablespoon of flour. Pop that in. Okay, and we're going to give this a mix. You got it. Mix it round and round. Now with the shaving foam, it's really important we don't mix it too fast because otherwise we'll lose lots of the air in it, and the air is what makes it puffy. And without it, we wouldn't have our puffy paint. So I've given that a little bit of a mix round, nice and slowly. And then we're gonna add our paint in. I chose red, remember? So I'm gonna squeeze some of the red paint in. Give it a squeeze, you can choose whatever colour you want. I'm going to mix it round. Can you see it's starting to change colour? Again, we're mixing nice and slowly because we don't want to lose the puffiness for our puffy paint, do we? You can see it's nice and mixed in now. Perfect. Okay. And now we are going to get our bag. So here's my bag I've got. Now, if you don't want to use a bag, you can use a paintbrush as well, but the fun bit with the bag is that you can squeeze the paint out. So open up my bag, get my spoon, and I'm going to try and get it into one of the corners. It can be a little bit sticky with all that glue we've popped in. So scrape it out the bowl, add it in. Perfect. So now we can see I've got it in my bag. Now we're going to seal our bag up because when we're squeezing it, we don't want it to come out the other end. I'm going to give it a bit of a roll down. You might need to open your bag a little bit to let some of the extra air out. So we're going to give it a squeeze down. And can you see I've made a nice ball of it in the bottom. Now you might have a piping bag in your house, and those are really useful for this activity, so you can always ask an adult if you can use that. And now I've got it squeezed to the bottom. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to snip a little bit off the corner. And this is so that I can get my paint out. So I've snipped that out now. And the next thing we need to do is go and find a piece of paper. So I've got my piece of paper here. And let's see what we can make with our puffy paint. Now that our paint's all ready to go, I've got my piece of paper. I've moved my camera so you can see my paper a little bit better. And now it's time to squeeze our paint out. So you want to try and remember where the hole is. And then all you're going to do is squeeze to make your picture. I wonder what I'm going to make. Let's have a look. I'm going to squeeze out my paint. I've got 2 lines of paint coming out here. Can you see? So it's a bit different to normal paint because it's more puffy. There we go. And now earlier I made some other colours. So let's see what else I can squeeze out here. So all you need to do is squeeze the paint round. There we go. And I've got one more colour here. Pink one. I'm going to squeeze this out as well. Can you guess what I'm making? There we go. And there we have our Puffy Paint picture. I wonder what pictures you can make with your Puffy Paint.